All right, so I got an update on the $88 quad here. Mainly going to be flying with these new props, these SBANG 4934s from Gemfan. See what they're like. I just want to let you guys know that the vendor has changed the ESC and flight controller on this model. So if you're looking at this from the old video, what you're looking at here is not what's currently selling on the link. I don't know how those parts fly. I don't have those. I don't have any plans to get those. My CLI dump probably won't work. It's a different flight controller as far as I am told. But if you have gotten this with the new parts, let me know in the comments below. And I have a feeling that you probably don't need to do much because the 40 amp ESCs can handle 4S. And you should be good to go. Just have to probably just do a little bit of tuning. And this model will fly just fine. Now, I did tweak this, of course, on the original video, and I'm going to be flying on the same PID tune. I just have these new props on. That's the only thing that's different. And I have a different prop here, a different mount here for the Session 5. We'll see how that does. I have no idea if this is going to be any good or not. Let me know. So I'm just going to listen to the props here. Okay, these have less vibration than the props I used before. I forget which I used. They sound pretty good. Oh, I forgot to change my roll rate. I need to do that. It's not bad. Oh, nice. It's actually pretty smooth. A little bit of prop wash. The props I had on before had a little bit more prop wash than this one. Still pretty floaty. Still very good control. Seems pretty streamy going to a dive. Now, these are definitely better than the crops that are on there before. I haven't changed the tune either. You can go back to the original video and see that flight, and you can see there was a lot more prop wash. And I can just tell with the sound. They sound a lot better. Anyway, I'm gonna end the test here. Let me know what you guys think. Talk to you later.